Hello everyone. Today our topic for discussion is Chipko movement or Hug the Tree movement. So my dear students, as we know that the Chipko movement was a non-violent social and ecological movement. Chipko movement was a non-violent social and ecological movement. Chipko movement it was originated in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Chamoli district of Uttarakhand in the year 1973. Chipko, the word Chipko means to embrace or to we say that to hug. The word Chipko means to hug or to embrace. As we know that the name of the movement comes from the word embrace, as the villagers they hugged the trees and encircled them to prevent being hacked. And we see that this movement it was started in the year 1973. Sundarlal Baguna initiated the movement to guard the trees in the Himalayan slopes. So this Chipko movement it was started by Sundarlal Baguna. Sundarlal Baguna was the man leader of the Chipko movement, and he is known for coining the Chipko slogan. Ecology is the permanent economy. The slogan of the Chipko movement was that the ecology is the permanent. Ecology is the permanent economy. So ecology is the permanent economy is the slogan of Chipko movement. Slogan of the Chipko movement. Chipko movement was started by Sundarlal Baguna. And we see that this movement was a non-violent agitation. Based on Gandhian philosophy. And we see that this Chipko movement, as we know that the agitators, the protesters, they followed the Gandhian method of non-violent resistance through the act of hugging trees to protect them from being fallen. And we see that one of the most important, or we can say that the notable characteristic of this movement was the involvement of the women. So women played an important role. The women of Gadwal area, Gadwal slopes, the women of Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, they played an important role in the movement. They played an important role. They hugged the trees, and we see that this movement is also known as Hug the Tree movement, because the women of Adani village of Thari Gadwal, the women of Adani village of Thari Gadwal tied the sacred thread. They tied the sacred thread. The women of Adani village of Thari Gadwal tied the sacred thread around the trunks of trees, and they hugged the trees. Hence, it was called Chipko movement or Hug the Tree movement. Clear? And we see that after Chipko movement, Sundarlal Baguna, the man leader of the movement, he gave the message across the globe that ecology and ecosystem are more important. That ecology and ecosystem are more important. And other leaders, now the other main leader of the movement was Sundarlal Baguna, and the other leaders who were associated with the Chipko movement was Gora Devi, Sudisha Devi, and Chandi Prasad. But these were the main leaders of the movement. And we see that the main objective of the Chipko movement was to protect the trees, the main objective of the Chipko movement was to protect the trees on the Himalayan slopes from the access of contractors of the forests. And we see that, so अगर हम बैकग्राउंड की बात करेंगे तो बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द चिपको मूवमेंट अगर हम उसकी बात करेंगे, as we know that the government of India, they decided to allot forest trees to a supports goods company. And we see that the villagers, or the people are villagers around the forests, and as we know that their main source is the forest, is the main source of livelihood for the villagers. Clear? And we see that the moment, the villagers, or the main source is the forest, is the main source of livelihood for the villagers. And we see that the moment in 1978, first time we see that the moment, that the Chipko movement, it gathered momentum. It gathered momentum because when the women they faced police firing and other tortures, clear? And the moment's biggest trump was making people aware. Chipko movement's biggest trump was making people of India aware of their rights to forests, rights to aware the people of their rights to forests, rights to forests. As we know that the people who are living near the forests, they are wholly and solely depend on forest to produce forest, because forest provides them food and fodder. Forest provide them food, fodder, and other items, other items. And we see that that's the reason we see that the women is in the Gadwal region, Gadwal or Adani village, Gadwal, Thahri Gadwal, they protested, or we can say that the women of the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, they started protest against the government, against the contractors, against the contract, and they hugged the trees. They hugged the trees, clear? And we see that this movement became a successful because we see that this Sundarlal Bhagwana, he was the ardent supporter, or we say the follower of Gandhian philosophy. He was a Gandhian, ardent supporter of Gandhian philosophy. Gandhian philosophy of non-violence or ahimsa, non-violence or ahimsa, or we can say that he was ardent supporter of satyagraha, the Gandhian philosophy, Gandhi, which is based on truth and non-violence. And we see that this Chipko movement, it was Chipko movement, as we know, that is an environmental conservation movement, It was started by the villagers of Chamoli district, and not only in Chamoli district, but we can say in other states also. We see that the people, they started movement, they started the same type of the movement. For what purpose? For the protection and conservation of trees, and forests from being destroyed, And we see that recently Sundarlal Bhagwana, he was in news. As we know that on 21st May 2021, Sundarlal Bhagwana, as when he died, Sundarlal Bhagwana, leader of the movement, he died. At that time. We see that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi described Bhagwana's demise as a monumental loss for the nation, And we see that this Chipko movement, it was not only separate, it was later we see it was separate in other states of India as well. Especially we see that in South India, there was the same type of movement that was known as Apiko movement. As the Apiko means the hug the tree movement. Clear? And we see that the main objective of the Chipko movement was to protect the trees, protect the trees on the Himalaya slopes from the access of contractors of the forest. It was initiated in the year 1973. Clear? And we have already discussed that the word Chipko means the name of the movement comes from the word embrace, or as the villagers as we know that the villagers, they hugged the trees and encircled them to prevent being hacked. Clear? So dear students, this was all about Chipko movement. So वीडियो को देखने के साथ साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए.